your Android phone can run faster and more reliably than ever before. While many of us accept the limitations of an older phone, or even notice lag on newer models, there are a few ways to improve performance on almost any device. One key reason a phone feels sluggish is that temporary files and settings can clog the operating system and cause slowdowns. The tips below address that problem and can deliver a noticeable speed boost. In my tests, I saw up to a 20% improvement, especially in browser and app performance. I tested these tips on a Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold and noticed apps like Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop loaded faster and worked more smoothly. Your results will depend on your phone's age, but these steps can improve common functions on most Android devices. 1. Update the OS and commonly used apps. If your Android phone feels sluggish or crashes occasionally, start by updating the operating system and your frequently used apps. Developers regularly release updates to fix bugs and compatibility issues, and Google updates Android to improve stability and performance. To update Android, go to Settings, search for System, select System Update, and install any available updates. To update apps, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile, select Manage Apps and Devices, and tap Update All. 2. Restart your phone regularly. Many people rarely restart their phones. Restarting clears memory and frees up system resources, especially from background apps. After a reboot, apps often run more smoothly. To restart, press the power and volume up buttons together and tap Restart, or use the power option from the Quick Settings panel. 3. Free up storage. Your Android phone uses local storage to manage performance. Over time, apps, photos, and videos can fill up space and slow the device down. Cloud storage does not solve local storage issues. To free up space, press and hold an unused app icon, tap App Info, and select Uninstall. You can also use the Files app to remove large documents, videos, or photos taking up storage. This is especially important on older phones with limited storage. 4. Clear app cache. Apps store temporary files in a cache. Over time, this can build up and affect performance. Clearing the cache frees space and can resolve glitches. Go to Settings, right-pointing arrow Apps, right-pointing arrow All apps, select an app, then choose Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache, and clear storage if needed. 5. Clear browser cache. Browsers store history, cookies, and site data, which can slow performance over time. To clear Chrome's cache, press and hold the Chrome icon, tap App Info, go to Storage and Cache, and select Clear Cache. 6. Reset your phone entirely. For older phones, a factory reset can significantly improve performance by removing temporary files and software conflicts. Keep in mind this deletes all local data and installed apps. To reset, go to Settings, search for Reset, select Reset Options, then choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset. 7. Shut down power-intensive apps. Some apps use a lot of memory. If you're not using them, closing them can free up resources. To close an app, swipe up from the bottom and swipe the app away. Or press and hold the app icon, select App Info, and tap Force Stop. 8. Use lighter versions of apps. Light versions of apps use less memory and fewer system resources. Options include Facebook Lite and Google Maps Go. Search for Lite in the Google Play Store to find and install them. 10. Put apps into deep sleep mode. Deep sleep mode prevents apps from running in the background when not in use, freeing up memory and system resources. Go to Settings, right-pointing arrow App battery usage, select an app, and disable Allow background usage.